The name of the panel is Feminists Tackling Anti-Black State Violence, and it is co-sponsored by the Alice Paul Center, the Program in Gender, Sexuality, and Women's Studies, and the Penn Museum, and Africana Studies. I'm really excited about the panel. The panelists, there are a number of Penn people on the panel. Anne Farnsworth-Alvear, who's in the history department, she'll be talking about Colombia and state violence and how especially Black women artists are confronting it. We will also have Grace Sanders Johnson, who's in the Department of Africana Studies, who has worked a lot with Haitian women activists on issues related to state violence. My student in the Department of Anthropology, Leniqueca Welcome, she will also be presenting her work on violence and the construction of space in a particular area of Port of Spain in Trinidad. And we will have Maziki Thame, who's a political scientist, formerly in the Department of Government at the University of the West Indies, and she's now moved to poli-sci at Clark Atlanta and has done quite a bit of work in Jamaica on these same issues, and also on the activism of women that has been designed to confront some of these forms of violence at the community level. Faith Smith from Brandeis University will be the moderator, and I think it'll be just a really interesting conversation on feminist analyses, both of the construction and practices of violence and of responses to that violence. Often when we think about, or often in the public sphere, when people debate solutions to violence, they're not really taking into account the everyday ways that women are creating solutions within their communities, and they miss, therefore, an entire level of scale at which activism is happening. So I think the panel will really bring that out, and I think it'll be a very nice way to kick off the exhibit as a whole.